Welcome to Cooking with Erica and Jackson. So today we're going to be making easy breakfast smoothies. We have our little NutriBullet here, and first we're just going to take that off, and then we're going to start putting our ingredients into here. So we got some yogurt, some vanilla yogurt, and we're just going to put a couple spoonfuls in there. Some bananas. All of our fruit is frozen for us. Some berries, some frozen berries. It's so watching. I think I probably put a good amount. That's probably good.
Good amount. All right.
And then we have some milk. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you put your little bottom back on. You flip it over. And then do Mix her a little bit more. She's still a little chunky.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, now we're gonna check her. Oh, she looks good.
Amazing.
We have one smoothie. Just gonna go ahead and pour her into our cup. Take a drink.
She's good.
She's good.
It's our first good creation.
Like when we flip it over, it's just all gonna be on the top.
Maybe it'll
It'll
work
mix.
out. I've never made a smoothie before.
You've never made a smoothie?
No. Here, I got it. There we go. We got some bananas. She gets your hands really.
Just dump it, bro.
Dump it.
Yeah.
Give me a bag. This bag.
What do we do about our yogurt?
Okay, Rachel Ray.
Does that look like it's like mixed? Is that even mixed?
I think you can.